When you make armored glass for rear windows, sometimes you got doors that have two sections. One which is a window rolls up and down, and the other is the vent. In this case, to make the safest solution, we have to unite the vent with the window that rolls up and down. To do this, we basically join the two pieces with this wood, which we can glue with Sika, and then we make a one-piece solution, which is a lot safer. The safer solution is one piece, and it's a lot safer because you don't have the joint between the vent and the window. So if it's shot in the middle, it will be safe, or if the vehicle is exposed to an explosive. The only problem with the extended window is that since it's larger, it doesn't fit without modifying the door. So to modify the door, you have to make a cut in this part, and in some vehicles, a cut in the front of the door, or sometimes a cut on the outside, on the top. Now we have removed the lock because the lock is in the way to install the glass.